Hey everyone, Megan here. Today's video will be showing you a quick overview on stairs in the STEAM Services building, starting from the basement. Prior to this video, make sure you have all of your floors, floor slab, walls, wall assemblies, exterior, interior done, your dimensions done, all of your levels defined. That's really going to set you off correctly in this video. If you have not done so already, please make sure that you have those done. All right, and then let's jump right in. So to start stairs, you're just going to start right here at the button stair. You're going to click it. You want to make sure that you have a stair assembly that is in accordance to the stairs in the as-built construction documents for the STEAM Services building. You can edit the stairs how you want with edit type, of course. I've already done that, a little pre-step, so make sure that you do that on your own. You're going to want to make sure that you start in the basement, of course, and you're going up to the first floor. The desired number of treads would be 24. Tread depth, not really going to touch any of that. Just make sure that it is in accordance to the as-built documents. So check that, check that, check that. The rubric's not going to be super strict on those details, but it's going to set you up correctly. You're going to learn a lot about stairs along the way, and it's going to make the next steps of the STEAM Services project a lot easier for you if you start off correctly. So getting started with the stairs, I'm going to just go ahead and click really wherever I like. I know that the stairs kind of start a little bit back from the wall, so I'm going to go ahead and click and drag and see over on this side it says 5 risers created, 19 remaining. So there are 12 risers coming up from the floor and then 12 that wrap around and go up to the first floor that wrap around and go up to the first floor. So we're going to go ahead and just drag along until we hit about 12, and then we're going to drag down, not clicking anything, but just dragging down until we kind of get to the point where we like, and then continuing up until we finish. And that's pretty much how you make a stair. So you see that I didn't pull it exactly perfect along the wall. You're going to want to make sure that you leave a little bit of space for the wall that's in between these stairs, and I'll show you how to get it the way you need to in a little bit. But we can click and drag so then it can join with this interior wall here. That makes this little landing also drag along with it. And then let's see, 4 feet. Just want to make sure that these dimensions are correct and how you would like them. Make sure that the width of the stairs are correct. So 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet. Again, double check all of your details with the as-built. I'm not going to be too picky in this overview because I want it to be short and sweet for you guys. But there might be something shown here that might be a little bit different than the construction documents. Please follow the construction documents. But I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I like what I see. Alrighty. So I hit the check mark and it looks like we're good. So we're going to definitely have to edit these walls that were already pre-drawn prior to setting the stair. So for that, what I like to do is go into a elevation view or a elevation view from the 3D view and edit the wall profile. So that's exactly what I'll do. So here we are. In that 3D view, you can see that the walls don't look great, you know. It goes far above what we need it to. It's not really bound to the stairs how we need it to be. So let's go ahead and fix that. We're going to go kind of center it a little bit. So then it's all nice and flat in edit profile. We don't really want it to be all the way up to the first floor, right? We can drag that down, and let's go ahead and do that. So we can either drag it down or we can draw a line. I think I'm gonna draw a line, right? It's just a little bit simpler right here and have it connect to this line. All right, that looks good. And then we can actually delete these since we have a closed, oops, not that one. Since we have a closed loop, I'm going to use this trim extend corner tool to kind of trim up those little edges that are left over. Click OK. Make sure to save your project all the time if you can. I'm not going to save it in this tutorial, but definitely save, save, save. And there we go. That looks pretty good. You can see that it's bound to the structural element of the stair. It no longer overlaps with the railing. And overall, it looks really nice. Definitely check it. Check your work with the construction documents. There's multiple details, multiple section views of the stairs coming from the basement to the first floor. In the rubric, we're really just going to be checking, you know, does your walls, are they bound to the stairs correctly? Are they edited in accordance to, you know, how the documents look? And then we can check this wall. This wall looks pretty good already. You can adjust the height however we want to, pulling it up or down, or again, editing that profile. And let's zoom in. We can edit that profile, but it doesn't really look like we need to. They look nice and bound already. No weird holes. You can ignore that. No weird holes. It's all flush, all solid. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do stairs from the basement to first floor.